Today, I'll show you how to delete your GitHub account. Whether you're moving on to other platforms or simply decluttering your digital life, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your GitHub account. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. It's usually represented by your avatar or a placeholder image if you haven't set a custom one. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This is where all your account configurations are located. Now that you're in the Settings area, take a look at the left sidebar. This menu is your gateway to various settings concerning your GitHub account. You'll want to find and click on the option that says Account. This section contains all the information and options related to your account management. Once you've opened the account settings, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Here, you're going to see an option that might be a little daunting. It's labeled Delete Your Account. Before you proceed, make sure you've backed up any repositories or important information you might need. Deleting your account is a permanent action that cannot be undone. If you're certain you want to proceed, click on Delete Your Account. At this point, GitHub will ask for a final confirmation. You'll be required to type your username. This is an important step to ensure that you truly want to proceed with deleting the account. It acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions. Type your username carefully and double-check it before moving forward. After you've entered your username, confirm your choice, and with that, your GitHub account will be deleted permanently. Keep in mind that this process is irreversible. All your repositories, contributions, and settings will be removed from GitHub's servers. If there's any content you wish to retain, make sure to back it up before taking this final step. And there you have it, your GitHub account is now deleted. Remember, if you ever decide to return, you can always create a new account and start fresh. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.